If you're a precision rifle shooter, a hunter, or someone who shoots matches, then you know that more and more we're bringing more gear with us. We have things such as rangefinders, binoculars, spotting scopes, kestrels, chronographs, and more. And all of these items need a place to be mounted to. The one accessory that puts it all together is this, the Tactical Table by Sunwayfoto. If you ever attended a shooting match or ever been at an outdoor range, you might have seen one of these. With long-range shooting, you will most certainly have with you a spotting scope for longer-range targets, a pair of binoculars for closer targets, a rangefinder that I have somewhere on me here, there we go, to verify distances, and of course a kestrel to capture the environmental conditions. We would call these command stations. In the past, people would put together a combination of rails or even something homemade. However, most recently, we're seeing specialty made tables to create these command stations called tactical tables. This is the new Tactical Table by Sunwayfoto, and what's super great about it is that it was created by Sunwayfoto by the request of myself and a good friend of mine, Ryan of Bending Ballistics. What we wanted was a high quality tac table that was sturdy enough to shoot off of and modular enough that we can mount a multitude of accessories to. The tac table, just like all the other Sunwayfoto products, is exceptionally well machined from T6061 aluminum and is hard coat anodized for durability. The tac table has 3 mounting places. I'm just going to put this down. So the tac table has 3 positions that you can mount stuff to. On either side you have 2 low profile full length Arca clamps, and you would use these to mount and quickly detach accessories such as rangefinders, or let's say you want to swap a pair of binoculars for a spotting scope. These are also great if you want to shoot your rifle off of the table. You can certainly clip it in and run it side by side with a rangefinder, or what I recently discovered, shooting with an attached chronograph such as this Lab Radar LX. What's also very cool is the tac table is full of 1/4, 20, and 3/8" holes, so you can screw in other accessories such as, there we go, magic arms that hold cell phones and other devices. Now, the other way that you can use the tac table is to shoot off of it with a shooting bag. Shooting bags are great, and you can certainly throw it on the tripod head itself. However, a tac table is going to be better as there is more surface area for the bag to wrap around. So let's take a look. So with this tac table, the way that you would have it, let's say you have something like this. We would have our chronograph right there, and let me find the bag. There it is. Okay. So here I have the Armageddon Gear Game Changer medium, and you can easily wrap it right around here. And you can see there's definitely going to be more surface area for the bag to wrap around instead of just attaching around the head. Overall, this tac table is functional, durable, and lightweight. It's very versatile and easily has a home in your shooting bag. So, do you have a use for a tac table? Let me know in the comments below. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Keep on squatting, and I'll see you in the next video linked up here.